they will start to be calming. And
All right, so we're ready to go and open up the hives. Do you have bees at your place, Dr. Zorica?
Do I have?
Do you have bees at your place?
No. No. My grandfather from the father side, he has about 10 beehives, but not in Belgrade. It is in one small place in Serbia. But during my father and his brother and sister were children, they have their own honey and bee wax and other products from the hive.
Da. So she didn't put the eggs inside, but you can see the calmness of them. You see?
Yeah.
She wanted to bite.
Beautifully.